Hello, my name is Michelle Tan. Let me introduce Made in USA certification. We use AI, well-known technology, Veritas. Today, AI is a new search engine. Customers are no longer typing keywords. They are asking AI who to trust. Is the information accurate? Or this is real business or is a clone? Can this brand be verified? In an AI-driven world, truth becoming your most valuable asset. So let me show you and how our AI system works. And I put it where you just simple. You just need to put your website, and then the AI will be go scan. So I put one website in there. So scan now. So it's a 120 points, get 120. AI discovered the ending point, Spectre version, organization identity, know your customer, core concept, capability, contents policy, AI contact info, digital authentication, privacy policy, terms of service, LMMTXC, robot tax. Then you know some is robot, some is real, set map, and then AI discovery meta tag. So when your website registered in WordPress, so we know from the rules, the API verify your website and who knows it. So you can detect the bots. Let me go to that one because everything registered. So next one, the website he not registered in there. So what I show you the result. This is a bloomingdale.com. Let me scan. So it's failed because they use the AI or technology go to detect the items future. A lot of phishing website pop out, and then you go to click and then you go to the run. When you use the AI scan, they tell you which one you can trust, protect your brand, and then customer trust. That's the well-known AI scan. Thank you.